Which bag is... Do not let the internet influence you. I just got back from the gym. Hello, good morning. If you do not know me, my name's Haya and I'm an American Lebanese living in Texas. And this is a little unusual for my YouTube channel. I usually post like a podcast style videos that are in Arabic. This is my first English vlog. And so I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just hoping that I could create some sort of routine for myself, just so I look forward to waking up and, you know, getting ready for the day. Welcome, and I will see you at my coffee station. Okay, so now that it's 8 o'clock, I'm going to clock in and get ready for work. Honestly, there's not much to vlog when I'm at work. I can't really show you anything that I'm doing. So I will see you guys at 12 o'clock when it's time to go to the gym. And after that, I have a class, so I'll try to take you with me. I'm currently filming, like, using the camera, but I think I'm just gonna use my phone when I'm out of the house, only because I feel intimidated to take my camera. I feel so lightheaded right now and so dizzy, so I think I should eat. So we're gonna make eggs. So here is the final plate, my eggs with veggies topped with chili flakes, cheese, green onions, and then bread for my carbs, and then my fruit, which is a grapefruit this time. Don't come at me for paper plates. That's how we're gonna eat it, okay? Don't judge. Okay, now, bismillah. Okay guys, so it's 12:30 now and I'm gonna head over to the gym. So I just got back from the gym and I made myself a yogurt bowl. It's got yogurt, chia seeds, strawberries, kiwi, and banana, and a dash of cinnamon. And I really hope I'm not going to be late to class. So I have 20 minutes to eat, get ready, and leave. I'll see you again. So my class just ended, and the nice thing about the whole month is that we have presentations due, and some people that are presenting will bring food to serve as well. So yeah, I just had a snack. Also, what is this? Never mind, but that was fun. So looking forward to next week's snacks. I was gonna say good morning, but it's not morning anymore. It is currently 12 and I am taking my lunch break, which means I'm going to the gym. So today is day 2 of the vlog and I'm still here. So I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym, and I thought I'll just do a quick video of me getting ready and going. Honestly, there's not much to vlog today other than I'm working all day, so I'm literally at my desk. But I'll go to the gym today, and then we have a package coming in, so I thought we could open it together because I've always wanted to unbox on camera. I'm finally gonna do that. And then we're gonna go do our cardio in the afternoon, but today it's gonna be soccer, which I'm super excited about. And I'm sure I'll vlog on my phone, so I'll probably show you guys what it was like. And that's pretty much it. Hey, it's 5 and I just clocked out of work, and guess what just came in? The fabletics order. And I know I mentioned yesterday that I was selling all my old sports clothes on Depop, and so I bought some new. So I don't know what you guys shop, where you guys shop for sports clothes, but honestly, I've tried all like the bigger brands, and I bought like different leggings from them, and they are not squat proof, even though they advertise them as squat proof. And it just doesn't, like, I don't understand why I would pay $45 for leggings that are not, the best. Or $65, but let's open up the package together. Also, I want to mention that it's not normal to buy clothes, especially a bulk order of clothes, every week, or every month. It's just, I don't understand how people do it. And I mean, I know most of the people that I follow are like fitness influencers, so they receive bulk orders very often. But honestly, as a consumer, as someone who's buying them, it's just not possible. So, just wanted to let you know, this is not something I do often, maybe twice a year. Only because I recently purchased a big order doesn't mean this is something I do often, okay? Do not let the internet influence you into thinking this is normal. It's not normal to buy all that, okay? Just wanted to throw that out there. I'm probably gonna have dinner before I go to soccer because I'm going to soccer pretty late, and then take a break, rest a little, and study, and then I'll go to soccer. I'll see you there. Okay, so I made it to the soccer, and I feel so weird vlogging, but okay. So I'm gonna start playing. Actually, don't know how to play very well, but it's very good cardio. So that's why we do it. And I'll see y'all later. Okay. Hello, good morning. Today is Friday, March 27th, and I have received the second part of my order. I'm a little ashamed because I did purchase a lot of clothes, but that doesn't change what I said yesterday, that this is not common and this doesn't happen every day, okay? Or every week. I order sports clothes once a year almost, maybe twice a year, and only if I need to. So let me tell you why I decided to purchase this. So I don't know if you know the athletic brand called aybl. They had a 60% off site sale where, because it's their birthday, I think like a 5-year birthday, so they put most of their stuff on sale. And I've been wanting to buy their oversized t-shirts because I always buy them from the men's. Like, I'll buy a men's extra large because I want like the oversized fit, but they're just not that comfortable. They're very long, which is what I want, but then the sleeves are so long and the neck is either too tight or it's too big, and it doesn't really look nice. It kind of looks cheap. The last time I bought shirts for the gym that are oversized from the men's section was last year from Marshall's, I think. I bought like 4 shirts. And they're all black. And they're all gray now because of how often I wash them. And this year around, when I was buying my clothes, I did not want to buy anything black unless it's like 1 or 2 items that are black. But I wanted to make sure I like incorporate brown instead of black, and then instead of white, maybe like a pink, a blue, a butter yellow, whatever. Anyways, all this to say, let me show you what I bought. I did have a budget for myself, which was $300, which I think $300 for 1 year worth of sports clothes is something I could afford and something I could do. Maybe you could do more or less. Maybe $300 is nothing to you. Maybe it's too much. Just put a budget for yourself and do not exceed it. And so this is how I went through with my purchases, okay? Don't judge. Call me crazy, but I bought 9 t-shirts. Yeah. And I bought 2 shorts, 2 cotton shorts, and one sweatpants. I'm not going to show you individual items. If you want to check them out, I'll probably post a short on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Only because I feel like this is going to take a while, and in my shorts, I'm just going to do it very fast. Let me kind of tell you what we have planned today. I sold a few items from what you saw me taking pictures of. So I'm going to go drop these off, and then I'm going to go to the gym, and then I'll record a short form video opening these items, and then we'll do our cardio. And after that, I'm either heading out with my friends, which I'll definitely take you along, or I'm going to sit at home and study. So really based on what we decide to plan. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I just got back from the gym after hitting legs. I just wanted to say that, FYI, if you feel confident going into the gym, you're gonna do better. I don't know how to explain it, but if you get it, you get it. I'm gonna have a snack, probably a high protein snack, so either a protein shake or yogurt. I personally prefer a yogurt bowl because it's more whole foods. I get to put fruits in it versus a protein powder. It's, not a whole food. It's more, it has additives and such. So yeah. I just dropped off the things at the mail office, at the post office. And okay, y'all, we are ready for a night out. We're just going to a coffee shop for shisha and some drinks, maybe some snacks, but that's it. Okay. Hello, good morning. I obviously just woke up. It is now 11:20. So, we're doing our coffee, and then I'll have breakfast. And the plan for today is to study because I haven't studied in almost 2 days, which is not like me. So, I'm probably gonna just. That's my coffee ready. Alright, well, let me make my coffee. We are grocery shopping. I forgot to record anything. Oops, my bad. Now that I've put all the groceries away, I turned on the TV with some like jazzy background music, and I'm going to start studying. Shouldn't take me that long, but I think it's like 4 p.m. now, and then we have a gathering with our friends around 7. So I'll just be studying for a few hours until then. We are currently waiting for pizza, and we're just chilling. How did that even fit in the book?
And I got you all pork pepperoni since it's
Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. That's halal only.
No, wait. Here's comparison, please.
That's super nice.
A sexy cat, may I add?
So cute. Show her the video.
It's here. Happy birthday to you.
Y'all are so whitewashed. Where's that really? I can leave.
Good morning. Today is Sunday, and it is the last day of this vlog. So I already made my coffee, and I'm currently meal prepping, which is what I usually do on Sundays. I'll meal prep lunch and dinner for the whole week. That way I don't have to think about it, I don't have to worry about it, and my food's ready. Other than meal planning, today I have to submit an assignment, and then we have the wedding tonight. So I'll try to take small snippets of me meal prepping, and that's it. See ya. So it's 1:15 now, and I'm almost done with my meal prep for the week. So let me show you what I made. So this is all the chicken, and then this is beef with rice, and then this is more rice to go with the beef because I don't have enough Tupperwares. So I'll just scoop them out in a plate when it's time. This is also potatoes with the beef, and then this is a curry sauce that I made to go with the chicken. If you liked my meal plans, let me know. Also, once again, I want to say thank you if you're still watching. I appreciate you.
Hey, how are you, bro? Hey, what's your name?
My name is Ali.
Ali? Nice to meet you, I'm Nicole.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm ending the vlog here. If you guys like this video, make sure you interact with it, like, comment, subscribe. If you're watching till now, I'm very grateful for you. Bye.